What's up, everybody? My name is Galen, and this is Galen's Gadgets. First and foremost, I want to thank you all for joining me today. I also want to give a huge shout out to all of the supporters that I got on my first video. It definitely gave me the motivation to keep going with this. It gave me a lot of confidence. I also want to thank Soundcore by Anchor for sending me this free set of true wireless earbuds. These are called the Spirit Dot 2s, and they're definitely geared towards working out. I won them on a giveaway on Facebook, so I highly suggest following them on social media because they give something away at least once a month. So I won't hold you any longer. I'm ready to get straight to it. Let's do it.
I'm about to be on. Been on this mission since I first left home. Packed up my bags like I'm grown. Told myself to show myself to do.
Okay, so here's my unboxing of the Soundcore Spirit Dot 2s. First things first, there is the charging case, and I believe the earbuds are inside. Here's your Type-C charging cable. And here are your usual books and manuals. Came with 3 of them. I'll go over what's in each of them later. And here are your 4 extra sets of ear tips and your 2 extra sets of wings. And here's your case again. It's pretty hard to unwrap. It is actually a sliding case. And here are your earbuds. Okay, so now I am going to go over all of the features listed on the box, as well as give a brief description of everything that's included. But before I do that, I just want to give you guys a quick retail price on these. These retail on Amazon currently for $80. Every once in a while there is a coupon, so you can get $10 off of this, and it is eligible for Amazon Prime, so you can get these shipped in 2 business days. So now I'm going to go over everything that came in the box. First, I'm just going to start with your manuals and books. This is just a basic customer service manual. It provides you with all of their contact information and their social media handles. Okay, this is just a quick safety guide. Okay, this is your quick startup guide. It just provides you with how to set up your devices and how the touch controls work. Okay, so here's your USB Type-C charging cable. As you can see, it's Type-C. Okay, and here are your 4 sets of ear tips. And then what I think is cool is these extra ear wings. These ear wings will like conform to your ear when you wrap them around your earbud to just make everything more comfortable and secure, and you can move around a lot in these. Okay, so here's your case. In the front there's those 3 indicator lights, and then on the back there's your USB-C cover. So in case if you get water or something on your case, it won't get inside of the case and mess that up. But my favorite thing about these is that it actually slides. I just think that's a very unique implementation on a charging case, so that's my favorite thing about the case. Okay, now here are your earbuds. I really like the design of these. These are very basic and discreet. I don't like over-the-top things, so yeah, I love these. And here are the ear wings that I was talking about. That's going to keep them in your ear. And then here are the charging prongs. So yeah, I'm going to test these out. I'm going to test the fit and vibe out to some music now. So the fit on these is pretty great. I definitely didn't feel them move at all with any movement, and they are extremely comfortable. This is definitely the best fit I've ever felt on a pair of truly wireless earbuds. The sound profile of these guys are just Anchor. You can't really explain it any better unless you get an Anchor product. It's very clear sound, and then just what they said on the back of the box, mini buds that deliver thumping bass. these things delivered some pretty hard bass. It was a lot of bass and it was super clean. This is some of the best bass that I've ever heard on any set of earbuds, and I'm definitely going to wear them again just to listen to certain songs that I know carry a lot of bass. Another thing I like about these earbuds is that it's just extremely dynamic, but only when it needs to be. It's very detailed and layered, so you can definitely feel the high points of songs, like how the artist created it to be. It's just very interesting how that works. Alright, so now I am in one of my favorite apps called Tidal. I'm going to show you guys how the touch controls work. So to play, all you do is double tap the right. And to pause, you do the same thing, double tap the right. And to go forward, you double tap the left. As you can see, it just went forward a few times. Okay, to summon Google Assistant, you're going to hold the right or the left for 2 seconds. Open YouTube. Okay, and as you can see, the YouTube app just opened up with my Google Assistant control. So the touch controls I'm really not the biggest fan of, just because it's missing 2 of my favorite options. The option for volume going up and down, and also the option for reverse. I'm not the biggest fan of that because I like to reverse tracks a lot. And I also do not like reaching in my pocket for my phone when I can just adjust the volume with my earbuds. Another thing that's missing in terms of functionality, so I'm going to show you guys, it is the Soundcore app. This is a pretty great app. My Liberty Air 2s have it. These right here. They do support the Soundcore app, but the Spirit Dot 2s do not. On this Soundcore app, there are a lot of extra settings that just enhances your listening experience. One thing is called Hear ID, in which you can go through sound tests and it customizes a profile just for your unique sound. And also there are a lot of equalizer settings that you can choose from that you cannot on these Spirit Dot 2s. I really hope the next generation of Spirit that they include the Soundcore app. Right now it looks like it only supports my speaker and all of the Air series. Okay guys, so now I'm just doing a microphone test on the Spirit Dot 2 True Wireless earbuds. Let me know how it sounds in the comments. Testing. 1, 2, 3, testing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna wrap this up. Overall, this is just a crazy bang for your buck. At $80, Soundcore is really only competing with itself. I really think the only earbuds that really mess with Soundcore at this price point are the Liberty Air 2s, which I own. Everything else is at least $100 more. Those are your Apples, your Beats, your Jabras, your Jaybirds, your Sony. Nothing else can really dethrone them at this price point. It's really kind of ridiculous at the quality that Soundcore can put out at this price. There are a few shortcomings, like the touch controls. It's not just that they lack a few. It can be pretty finicky because the earbuds are so small that the touch space is small, so you can press it and it doesn't even register. That did happen to me a few times, but it's only a few extra taps, so it's not really like a deal breaker in my opinion. One of my favorite things about these earbuds is the charging case. I really love the sliding mechanics of it. It's really unique and it just looks cool. Another thing I like about the case is that it will charge your earbuds for 10 minutes and give you an hour of playback time. That's great for when you just have to grab and go. The case is also very pocketable. You could definitely just, like I said before, just grab it and go. So in conclusion, at this price, I do not think these earbuds can be beat by anything at this price. But I also do not think that spending $150 more on AirPods or Powerbeat Pros or any other of those big brands is really justifiable because of the quality that you get out of these earbuds. So yeah, these were the Soundcore Spirit Dot 2s. I hope you guys join me again.
Yeah, I just want you to be strong.